In today's video, we're going to talk about the Affinity's guide to a safe, fun, and memorable Halloween. So Halloween can be a big event for many families here in the United States. So here at Affinity, we find it to be very important that you have a good time, have fun with your community. However, it's just as important to make sure that you're safe, because as most of you know, this event is celebrated by many youngsters, which I'm sure there's some older folks that do love Halloween. So stick around so we can give you our tips of what the do's and don'ts in Halloween would be for your community association. So first, let's start with the most important part, is the safety part. So if your community association is one of those that you have many residents, well, actually, even if you don't have that many, you should be taking these tips top of mind. So the first tip is, number one, are your sidewalks in good condition? Are there any potential trip hazards that you may need to put cones? Also, you may want to send a tip to your community if they're giving out treats, because many kids have peanut allergies or have other allergies, and you may want to make a recommendation to your residents of the do's and don'ts when it comes to safety and the treats within your community association. Okay, so now let's get to the fun. So one of the main reasons that people move into community associations is that ability to have that sense of community and have that neighborly fun with the residents that live there. So here are some tips to make it fun within your community association. Number one, you could do a spooky Halloween event. So you can invite the neighbors and actually give away maybe a prize, a $100 Amazon gift card for the best dressed kid, and maybe a $100 gift card for the best dressed adult. You can even do maybe a spooky movie night where kids are all welcome with their family and everyone gets to watch Thriller or gets to watch some kind of movie that relates to Halloween. Also, it's important that you incorporate your on-site team, the team members that serve your association. So maybe they can't be there on Halloween night itself, but maybe you could do a Halloween costume on a weekday, and that way you can incorporate them into your community and make sure that they're as valued as the residents within the community. So if this sounds like a lot of fun and something that you want to do or you want to incorporate within your community, the last tip is to make sure that you're communicating what the plans are, and make sure you give the residents as well as the members that are serving your association ample time to properly plan, because many people will sometimes do things with their family and other members, and if the community's doing something, they'll probably be drawn to come to the community and do it. So the more communication, the better. You want to communicate how important it is for the safety, and at the same time how important it is for you and your community to enjoy itself. So if you've liked these tips or you'd like to hear some more tips that we have up our sleeve, please visit our website, managedbyaffinity.com. It would be our pleasure to not only work with you, but also to serve the residents of your association. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel as we have weekly videos going out. Wishing you all a happy Halloween.